Elizabeth II, the United Kingdom's longest reigning monarch. Welcome, friends. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary life of Queen Elizabeth II, the United Kingdom's longest reigning monarch. Her reign has been marked by remarkable achievements, unwavering dedication, and profound influence on the world stage. Join us as we explore the life and legacy of this iconic queen. The birth and early years of Elizabeth II. Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor was born on April 21, 1926, in London. As the first child of the Duke and Duchess of York, she was not initially expected to become queen. Her early years were spent in the care of her family, receiving a private education focused on history, language, and the duties of royalty. Elizabeth's path to the throne. In 1936, Elizabeth's uncle, King Edward VIII, abdicated the throne, and her father became King George VI. This unexpected turn of events placed Elizabeth in direct line for the throne. During World War II, she served in the Auxiliary Territorial Service, contributing to the war effort and gaining first-hand experience in leadership and service. Ascending the throne. On February 6, 1952, following the death of her father, Elizabeth became queen at the age of 25. Her coronation in 1953 was a grand and historic event, symbolizing a new era for the British monarchy. From the outset, Queen Elizabeth II committed herself to the service of her people and the Commonwealth, promoting diplomacy. Throughout her reign, Queen Elizabeth II has played a crucial role in promoting unity and diplomacy. She has visited over 120 countries, strengthening international relations and fostering goodwill. Her presence at state functions and diplomatic events has often served as a stabilizing force, reinforcing the UK's global standing. Modernizing the monarchy. Queen Elizabeth II has overseen significant changes within the monarchy, adapting to the evolving times while maintaining tradition. She embraced technological advancements, such as televised addresses and social media, to connect with the public. Her reign has also seen the modernization of royal protocols and increased transparency in the royal family. Championing charitable causes. A key aspect of Queen Elizabeth II's legacy is her dedication to charitable causes. She has been a patron of over 600 organizations, supporting a wide range of initiatives, from healthcare and education to environmental conservation and the arts. Her commitment to philanthropy has inspired countless individuals and organizations to make positive contributions to society. Elizabeth II's legacy. Queen Elizabeth II's reign has been one of remarkable longevity and stability. Her steadfast dedication to duty, her ability to adapt to change, and her unwavering commitment to her people have left an indelible mark on the United Kingdom and the world. As she continues her reign, she remains a symbol of resilience, continuity, and grace. Friends, we hope you enjoyed this journey through the life of Queen Elizabeth II. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for our next exciting exploration. Thank you.